Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy you are here today. In this video, we are going to talk about something very important: how to learn English speaking easily. Many people understand English. They can read English. They can write English. But when it's time to speak, they feel nervous. They feel afraid. And sometimes their mind goes blank. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. And more importantly, there is nothing wrong with you. Today, I will show you how to learn English speaking in a simple and natural way. This video is perfect for beginners. You don't need advanced grammar. You don't need difficult words. You only need one thing: consistent practice. Before we begin, let me explain how to use this video. First, just relax and listen. Listen to my voice. Listen to the rhythm of English. Then, if you want to practice speaking, repeat the sentences after me. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps your brain and mouth work together. It helps you speak English more naturally. Now let's begin. Let me ask you a question. Why do you think English speaking feels difficult? Many people believe the problem is grammar. Others think the problem is vocabulary. But the real problem is something else. The real problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding silly. Fear of being judged. Because of this fear, many learners stay silent. They think in their native language. They translate in their head. And by the time they are ready to speak, the moment is gone. This is the first thing you must understand. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every fluent English speaker you see today made thousands of mistakes in the past. They didn't become fluent by being perfect. They became fluent by speaking anyway. One of the best ways to speak English easily is to stop translating. When you translate, your brain works too hard. It slows you down. It makes you nervous. Instead, you need to think in simple English. For example, instead of thinking, "How do I say this correctly?" think, "How can I say this simply?" Simple English is powerful English. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I am getting better every day. These sentences are simple, but they are clear, and they are correct. Fluency is not about long sentences. Fluency is about clear communication. If you want to speak English easily, you must practice every day, not once a week, not when you feel motivated, every day. But don't worry, you don't need hours. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day is enough. Here is a simple daily habit you can follow. First, listen to English. Listen to stories like this one. Listen to slow and clear English. Second, repeat out loud. Yes, out loud. Even if you are alone, even if you feel shy. Your mouth needs training, just like your brain. Third, talk to yourself in English. For example, say, today I woke up early. I made coffee. I am watching an English video now. This may feel strange at first, but it works. This is how children learn languages, and it works for adults too. Now, let me tell you a short story. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. When I started learning English, I was very shy. I understood many words, but I didn't speak. I was afraid of making mistakes. One day, I decided to change. I told myself, I will speak English every day. At first, my English was slow. I made many mistakes, but I didn't stop. Every day I listened. Every day I repeated. Every day I spoke. Little by little, I felt more confident. Now, speaking English feels natural. Take a moment. Repeat some sentences again if you want. Many learners say, I will speak when my English is better. But here is the truth. Your English gets better because you speak, not before. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect level. Start now. Start simple. Say what you know. Use the words you have. Fluency grows with use. English is not just grammar rules. It is not just exams. English is a skill, like driving, like cooking, like swimming. You don't learn swimming by reading about it. You learn by getting into the water. English is the same. You learn by listening, by repeating, by speaking, even when it feels uncomfortable, especially when it feels uncomfortable. Let me tell you something important. You are capable of speaking English. You are smart enough. You are good enough. The only difference between fluent speakers and learners is practice, not talent, not luck. Practice. So here is my advice to you. Listen to this video again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences out loud. Speak a little every day. Progress may feel slow, but it is happening. Every word you say matters. Every minute you practice counts. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.